Hidden deep in the French countryside stood a chateau frozen in time. Behind rusted gates and warning signs, a secret waited silently for decades. The man who owned this place carried a past few dared to question. Each step downward led further away from daylight and closer to the unknown. What looked like an ordinary wall concealed an extraordinary truth. Under dust and cobwebs, a forgotten shape began to reveal itself. Beneath 40 years of silence stood one of the rarest Ferraris ever made. They weren't alone. Legends stood side by side, untouched by time. Inside, every dial and surface whispered stories of another era.
It's a classic! I can't believe it!
For the first time in decades, the Ferrari felt sunlight again. What was once forgotten was now restored with precision and respect.
They saw scrap metal, not realizing they were moving a legend worth millions. Piece by piece, the heart of the legend comes back to life. Every adjustment demands patience, precision, and respect for history.
After decades of silence, the engine breathes again.
The foundation must be perfect before beauty returns. Safety and performance are rebuilt with the same care as speed.
Old scars are removed, preparing the body for rebirth.
The color that once defined an era returns.
For the first time in decades, the car shines again.
Inside, craftsmanship meets comfort, just as it did in the 1960s. Every detail tells a story of hands that once held it.
Old technology restored with modern precision. The wheels that once raced history return to their place.
The car stands whole once more. The final touch before the reveal.
Not just restored, preserved for generations to come.
Perfection, revealed without a single word.
Every curve now speaks the language of craftsmanship.
To experts, its value was immediately undeniable.
What was once forgotten became priceless.
From hidden cellar to admired masterpiece.
Protected, respected, and finally understood. Not just restored, preserved for generations to come.
Perfection, revealed without a single word.
Every curve now speaks the language of craftsmanship.
Trusses. To experts, its value was immediately undeniable.
What was once forgotten became priceless.
From hidden cellar to admired masterpiece.
Protected, respected, and finally understood.
In the end, it wasn't just a car restored, but a legacy preserved.